Hello, welcome to How to Literally. I'm going to review Capitalize.ai. Is this AI trading tool worth it? So if you go to capitalize.ai, you can choose between getting a demo or just click on getting started. You can also see their features, resources like technology, blog, landing center, and getting a demo. Also, if you're a broker, you can click for brokers, and they offer tools for companies. So, pros, the platform offers an intuitive interface with a natural language processing, enabling users to automate trades without coding. It includes robust backtesting tools, real-time market data, and seamless integration with brokers like FXCM and MT4. Cons: some users have reported occasional glitches and less intuitive user interface, and the platform's effectiveness heavily relies on the user's own trading strategy and understanding. So in conclusion, Capitalize AI stands out as a powerful tool for traders seeking to automate strategies without coding, offering a user-friendly experience and valuable features. However, its success depends on the user's trading knowledge and the quality of their strategies.